Rita
and Sopatty,
also known as Twin Crunch. So today we are making
Somlaw Machu Kreung.
and we are using beef for our Somlaw Machu Kreung. So for our ingredients we are using
We have Alberta beef,
homemade tamarind sauce,
we have our kreung, and we'll have a description down below how to make our kreung.
our prahok, also known as fish paste.
Here we have our veggies. We have celery, jalapenos, and papaya.
Last but not least,
Sugar
and water. So this is our kreung finally finished after it's been in the blender. So this is how it should look like.
what the pahok looks like in the jar when you first buy it, and it comes into this like size here. And what we do is just mince it up into a paste. But I have canola oil heating up, and it's on medium high. And I'll add my kreung. I'll saute my kreung in. I'm gonna add my beef, Alberta beef. Stir it up. So my beef is cooked down pretty good here. And I'm just gonna add sugar. Stir it up. Tamarind sauce. I'll add good 4 scoops for now, and then we'll taste as we go. So everything is marinated in. I'm just gonna add the veggies. So all of it goes in. The jalapeno, the papaya, the celery.
Stir that up. Get it all mixed in there.
So now that the veggies are like marinated in with everything else, we're gonna add 2 cups of water. And we're gonna let this boil.
If it's not salty enough, you can put some fish sauce. So we're throwing some fish sauce in there.
And for the sour Somlaw Machu taste, we're gonna add more tamarind. We're making extra sour.
Extra sour. Alright everyone, that's it for now. Twin Crunch is on a time limit.
We're gonna go enjoy the Somlaw Machu.
If you guys have any questions or requests, please let us know. Don't be afraid to message us or comment down below. We're more than willing to do new recipes for you guys and try many other different kind of food. So yeah, thank you for watching. And don't forget to like,
Share.
and subscribe. Thank you.
Bye.
And
Please.
don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
The back.
Our vegetables, it's called vegetables, right?
Vegetables.
Vegetables?
Yeah.
Okay.
What did you say?
Vegetables. Vegetable.
You said vegetable.
So
Today we're making kreung. And then here we have our veggies.
wait till I get there.
Oh.
Girl, start with.